Hey there YouTube. Today is Thursday, the 17th day of October 2019. It is almost 6:42 in the evening. Civil twilight ends at 6:42, just so you know. So it's fairly dark. What I'm doing here is I'm going to do 3 tests with this Gopro 8. Somebody wanted to, how does it do in low light? Well, we're about to find that out. So what I've done is I've set this up. This is going to be 4K, 30 frames a second, hyper boost on at all times, so all these settings will be the same. I've got the ISO to be 100 to 400 on this go. On the second go, I'm going to have it go from 100 to 800, and then the last go we'll do 100 to 1600, and try to see the differences. So I'll try to do this as quick as I can. So let's start this out the same way every time. This is a cowboy that's reading. Okay, see some lights up here where he's at. Now I'm going to walk down the street, and this will give a good test for the hyper boost at night. You see the street lights, street lamps are on. See John Johnson's place over across the street, and now I'm recording audio right now on my audio recorder. Let's see, that's the bakery back there, by the way. And then down here you see we have another statue of a guy and a little granddaughter right there eating ice cream. So we'll see how these come out. Alright, so I'm going to go to this gallery right here and show you down the street what that looks like. The mountains out in the distance. Alright, so at this gallery we'll stop. Alright, so now I've got all the same settings. Like I said, just the ISO is 100, 800. So we're going to do this one backwards. Here's a sign where we ended. I will go back and you will see street lights and everything. Right here is a statue of the grandpa and the granddaughter. I think that's a little bit brighter, actually. Right over there is the bakery. You can see the street lamps. And across the street is John Johnson's place over there. Yeah, I think that's quite a bit brighter, if I'm not mistaken. The Salty Pine right there. Alright, and then this is the building where the cowboy is that I started off on the last clip. And so, you can see that looks pretty bright. We'll walk right up to the cowboy. See how you can see him. Alright, yeah, that definitely looks better from what I can tell. Alright, now let's change them to 100 to 1600. Alright, so now I'm at 100 to 1600 on the ISO. You can see the cowboy there. So we'll do the lights on the building. You can see those. Spin around here. See the street lights. Okay, so we'll go to this Salty Pine sign. See that? Here's the bakery right over here. Okay. I didn't show this on the other ones, but Sugar and Spice Bakery, you can see that. John Johnson's place right across the street again. So we'll see how that looks. Going past the Mountain Land properties. Here's the grandpa and granddaughter. And yeah, I think that's a lot different as well. And there's the gallery. And so what I'll do is I'll swap out the sound as well. So we'll kind of do a sound test at the same time. And I'll tell you which one, of course, is which. And so we'll get these 2 tests done. So I'll go home, get this done and uploaded, and get it to you. So see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy this one.